everybody, welcome back to Biotalks with Swasti. So, in the previous lectures, we have already studied asexual reproduction and its definition and its types. So, we have already covered 4 types of asexual reproduction, that is, binary fission, multiple fission, plasmotomy, and then budding. So, today what are we going to study? So, we are going to study strobylation, fragmentation, and regeneration. So let's start. So we all know that asexual reproduction involves only the one parent. Okay. Now what is strobylation? Strobylation is a type of budding. It is a type of budding in which several segments are formed in body and each segment represents an animal. For example, strobila or Scyphistoma of Aurelia, and Aurelia is also called jellyfish. That is the part of the kingdom Cnidaria. So in 11th standard, I'm very sure that you studied animal kingdom. Okay, and animal kingdom में हम बहुत सारे phylum पढ़ते हैं, like phylum Polyphera, Platyhelminthes, Cnidaria, then Mollusca, a lot of echinoderms. So I'm very sure that you read the example of Cnidaria, that is the jellyfish example in the phylum Cnidaria. Okay, so what happens is in jellyfish strobylation occurs. What happens is that several segments are formed in body and each segment represents an animal. Okay, so if you have not understood, let me make you clear from a diagram. Okay, so for example, this is a strobila. Okay, and these are the many segments of the strobila. And it is like this, it looks like something this, and you can see that there are many segments in this. Now what happens is that strobila releases Ephyrae larvae. Okay, so this is the segment and these releases Ephyrae larvae. Okay, so you can see here that these are the many strobila and strobila releases Ephyrae larvae. So basically it's a type of budding only, but what happens is that each segment reforms a animal. That is something that we have not studied in junior classes, so you have to keep in mind. Okay, then the next example is neck of tapeworm. That is, the scientific name of tapeworm we studied is Taenia solium. Taenia solium. So in the neck of tapeworm there are proglottids. Okay, so the neck of tapeworm continuously buds off tapeworm. So आपने tapeworm 11th standard में पढ़ा है और आपको पता है कि उसकी बॉडी कुछ इस तरीके से होती है और बहुत सारे उसमें ना प्रोग्लॉटिड्स होते हैं. ओके, सो बहुत सारे सेगमेंट्स होते हैं, तो देर आर प्रोग्लॉटिड्स दैट आर कॉल्ड. ये हम सब ने पढ़ा है. ओके, तो आई होप यू आर क्लियर विथ स्ट्रोबिलेशन. देन लेट्स मूव ऑन टू फ्रैगमेंटेशन. What happens in fragmentation is that the parent body breaks into 2 or 3 pieces and these are called fragments. And fragments, each fragments develop into an individual, right? So for example, this is the parent body. Okay, so what happens is that it will divide into 2 and this fragment and this fragment, they develop into an individual. Okay, so what is the example of fragmentation? It is from the animal kingdom, it is sponges, sea anemones, echinoderms and starfish. And from the plant kingdom, it is algae. ये बहुत common example है जो हम बहुत बार पढ़ते हैं, that is Spirogyra. And then there is fungi, Rhizopus. Okay, so you have to remember these examples because ये इतने common नहीं है, हमें पता नहीं होते हैं. और वैसे भी Animal Kingdom is a chapter which is a nightmare of every student. So I'm very sure कि आपको पता नहीं होगा कि sponges, sea anemones, echinoderms, starfish, but you have to study Animal Kingdom also अच्छी तरह. Next is regeneration. Now regeneration is the regrowth in the injured region. And regeneration is of two types, that is morphollaxis and epimorphosis. Now what is morphollaxis? In morphollaxis, whole body grows from a small fragment. So अगर एक छोटा सा फ्रेगमेंट है तो उससे क्या होता है कि छोटे से फ्रेगमेंट से पूरी बॉडी डेवलप हो जाती है. उसका एग्जाम्पल है स्पॉन्जेस, हाइड्रा एंड प्लेनेरिया. ओके, हाइड्रा इज अ वेरी important example that you have to remember, and you have to note it down that regeneration in hydra was discovered by Abraham Tremblay. Okay, so I have written it in short, Abraham Tremblay, but you have to write the full like the full line that regeneration in hydra was discovered by Abraham Tremblay. Now I hope you have understood morphollaxis, in which the whole body grows from a small fragment. Now, let's come to epimorphosis. Now, what happens in epimorphosis is that there is a replacement of the lost body part. Okay, and epimorphosis is of two types, that is the reparative and regenerative. Now, in the reparative regeneration epimorphosis, lost body part is repaired. Okay, it is just repaired. कि अगर कोई चीज़ खराब हो जाती है, हम भी देखते हैं तो हम उसे रिपेयर कर देते हैं. ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट हम उसका पूरा बॉडी पार्ट ही चेंज कर रहे हैं. नो, थिंक ऑफ इट इन दैट वे. सो अगर हम इसका एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो ये है लॉस्ट टेल ऑफ लिजर्ड एंड द लॉस्ट आर्म ऑफ स्टारफिश. सो ये सबको पता होता है कि एक बार अगर लिजर्ड की टेल लॉस्ट हो जाती है तो इट कम्स बैक. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज रिपेरेटिव एपीमॉर्फोसिस. ओके, लॉस्ट टेल ऑफ लिजर्ड, ये वाला एग्जांपल हमें नहीं पता होता कि लॉस्ट आर्म ऑफ स्टारफिश इज ऑल्सो रिपेयर्ड एंड इट कम्स बैक. So these are the examples of reparative epimorphosis. Then let's come to regenerative epimorphosis. Now what happens in that is body parts can redevelop. Now regenerate and redevelop, they are synonymous. So body parts can redevelop. So what happens is in the arm of starfish and portion of central disc form starfish. So we all know that starfish looks something like this. So what happens is that this central disc, this is a central disc and these are the 5 arms. Okay, now what happens is that this arm and the central disc, arm of starfish and portion of central disc form starfish. Okay, so this is the example of regenerative epimorphosis. So you have to remember this, because in the junior classes we do not study all this. We only study that what is regeneration, what is fragmentation, but as we move forward we have to remember the examples. These are a little bit complicated, so that's why. So let's sum up this lecture. This was a very short lecture and I would like to sum up. Okay, so what is strobulation? Strobulation is a type of budding in which several segments are formed and each segment represents an animal. Okay, for example, strobila or scyphistoma of jellyfish, Aurelia, and it belongs to Cnidaria. And the second example is neck of tapeworm, which buds of proglottids. Okay, then fragmentation, in which the parent body breaks into 2 or 3 pieces called fragments and each fragment develops into an individual. और उसका example है Spirogyra, Rhizopus, sponges, sea anemones and echinoderms. And then regeneration, what happens in regeneration? A regrowth in the injured region, and it is of 2 types, morphollaxis and epimorphosis, in which there are many examples, and you have to remember that regeneration in hydra was discovered by Abraham Tremblay. So this was all about this lecture. I hope you understood everything, and if you do not understand anything you can comment down and definitely I will try to answer your question. Thank you.